From every nation they gather as one, different flags but one heartbeat strong. Inside the stadium the voices rise, fans are singing through the night and dawn. Colors are flying, banners in the sky, the players walk out with fire in their eyes. The whole world watches united in hope for the greatest game under heaven's light. The heartbeat is racing, the moment is here, dreams are alive in the atmosphere. Every team is fighting with passion and pride to write their name in the story of time. World Cup 2026, the whole world sings, the whole world shouts. The ball is flying, the victory calls. From Mexico, Canada and the USA, joy and glory echo around the world today. World Cup 2026, fight together, their nation's name. The stars are running across the field, chasing the dreams they've carried for years. One single goal can ignite the crowd, one brave moment can shake the world. It's more than battle, it's more than fame, it's love for football that binds us all. Children, young hearts and old souls too, all stand together beneath this call. Time keeps moving but the spirit remains, the songs of the crowd grow louder again. The dream is to rise and reach the top, to hold the trophy and never stop. World Cup 2026, the whole world sings, the whole world shouts. The ball is flying, the victory calls. From Mexico, Canada and the USA, joy and glory echo around the world today. World Cup 2026, fight together, their nation's name. Under the lights, beneath the sky, the stadium roars like thunder tonight. If you fall down, rise once again, because glory is born through struggle and pain.